Do you ever feel like you're constantly surrounded by noise? Notifications pinging, people talking, endless scrolling? It can be a lot. When was the last time you truly spent some quality time alone? Just you and your thoughts? It sounds a bit scary, right? In our super-connected world, being alone is often seen as something to avoid. But what if I told you that spending more time in solitude could actually be one of the best things you do for your mind and well-being? Let's be clear. Being alone isn't the same as being lonely. Loneliness is a feeling of sadness and disconnection, while solitude is a choice. It's about consciously setting aside time to be with yourself without any external distractions. Think of it like hitting the reset button for your brain. When you're constantly reacting to the world around you, your mind doesn't have a chance to process, to wander, to create. It is like trying to have a deep conversation in the middle of a loud concert. It's just not going to happen. When you embrace silence, something amazing happens. Your mind starts to quiet down. At first, it might feel chaotic, with random thoughts palavers popping up everywhere. But if you stick with it, you'll start to notice the gaps between the thoughts. This is where the magic of mindfulness comes in. You begin to observe your thoughts without judgment, like watching clouds drift across the sky. This practice of introspection helps you understand yourself on a much deeper level. You start to untangle your feelings, recognize your patterns, and figure out what you truly want out of life, away from the influence of others' opinions and expectations. This is why practices like meditation are so powerful. It's not about emptying your mind completely. It's about giving it a dedicated space to just be. You could start with just 5 minutes a day. Find a quiet spot, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. Notice the sensation of the air entering and leaving your body. When your mind wanders, and it will, gently guide it back to your breath. It's a workout for your brain that strengthens your ability to focus and reduces stress. Over time, this practice builds a stronger connection with your inner self. You become less reactive to daily stressors and more intentional with your actions. But it's not just about formal meditation. You can find solitude in many ways. Go for a walk in nature without your phone. Sit in a cafe and just watch the world go by. Spend an evening journaling, painting, or simply listening to music. The key is to be present and intentional. This time alone is where your creativity can truly flourish. When your brain isn't busy processing external input, it has the freedom to make new connections, solve problems, and come up with brilliant ideas. Many of the greatest thinkers and artists in history swore by their time alone. It was their secret weapon. So I challenge you to schedule some me time this week. Don't see it as an empty space in your calendar, but as a vital appointment with your most important relationship, the one with yourself. Start small. Even 15 minutes of uninterrupted silence can make a huge difference. You'll likely find that you return to your social life feeling more refreshed, centered, and more authentically you. You'll have more to offer others because you've taken the time to replenish your own energy. It's a powerful act of self-care that can transform your entire perspective. Give it a try. You might be surprised by what you discover in the quiet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.